So I just finished topping, getting my first coat on everything here at the Lodge Tower in Vail, Colorado. I'm in unit 278, 280, and 282, so I'm doing 3 units here. It was a complete gut job. I'm going to take you a walk around through here. But I'll tell you, Vail, Colorado in the summertime is just absolutely beautiful. The evenings are very cool. The days are just beautiful. The mountains, the scenery. I'll attach a bunch of photos that I took when I took a hike. It is just beautiful here. And if you ever come to visit, say, hey, I want 278, 280, or 282, because those are the units the drywall doctor fixed and taped and finished, okay? But it's been quite a challenge. I'm having to deal with drywall that I've never dealt with before. I'm having to deal with mud that I've never used before. I know I could get +3 in all-purpose from USG here, but when in Rome, do what the Romans do. I wanted to try the mud that they have and see what I have to do to adjust. And you can adjust to anything. So I went and got it all done, and I just noticed I missed a cross off right up here. I'm going to have to hit that before I leave this right now. But I'm going to just show you some pictures of the mountains right out here, and I'm going to show you the view from the window that they have here. It's incredible. And then I will take you on a walk through this place. So this is my view from the balcony of 278. It is just absolutely gorgeous here. Just absolutely gorgeous. And not just that, but if you just walk around the back a little ways, you get to the, what do they call it? The chairlift that brings you up to the top of the mountain and on the other side. And actually, it could be one of those mountains over there, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's just a few steps away to the chairlift from here. It's beautiful here, guys. I'm just going to take you for a walk through around this unit that I've been working on, or these 3 units that I've been working on. So this, like I said, this was the balcony of 278. There's a kitchen going in here. This is a powder room. Then you head down this hallway. Here's 280, and they're pretty much attached. You're not going to go to 278. Here's the powder, another bathroom here. And this is the room. It'll be beautiful. And again, you have another balcony right here with a beautiful view. Tells me my camera's panning too fast. Don't look at any of this stuff. It's going to be gorgeous when it's done. And then this is the last room. Believe it or not, I am staying in the room up above. This is 282. I am in 382 with a king bed. It's very nice. Again, a beautiful bathroom. This room actually has a steam shower. This bathroom in here is going to have a steam shower. It's going to be quite a place. So there you have it. This is my work that I'm doing. It's a little out of my league with all of these screws because we don't have this many screws up north. So I'm apologizing again to the people that I've said I can do anything in 2 coats. There's no way I could have done these screws in 2 coats and had them look decent. Too many of them, just way too many of them. I had to get through them pretty quickly, and it was quicker to just spot these with all-purpose to begin with, fix all of the bad ones, fix all of the pull marks. I hate those little Chad marks. I hate them, absolutely hate those. Those are the worst, and they were everywhere in here. So it was easier for me to just go through, spot the screws, fix the Chad marks, fix the screws that are sticking out, and then 2-coat it afterwards. They're all skimmed now. They're ready to sand, where I have to skim all of these seams and I have to skim all of this corner bead and then all of the angles. I got to box it, angle it, and run the corner bead and skim this all out. And then I have to mop down all of these walls because I'm telling you, you just go poof on this drywall. I scraped off topping on this drywall, and it took the face paper off. Topping. This is American drywall. I'm so glad we don't have American drywall in Chicago, because this is, I really don't like the face paper on this, and it's what you got here. So I'm so grateful for USG now, because the surface of USG is so much nicer than this. All right, you guys have a good day, and I will try to show you when I get this all skimmed and sanded and done and mopped down. I'll actually probably do a video with me mopping these walls down, because I have to, because of the face paper of this drywall. I have to mop it down, otherwise it's not going to look good at all. And this place is going to be gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous when it's all finished. You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like my videos, subscribe, and if you really like them, please just share them with somebody else. How do you like my new t-shirts? And you know, you also might want to check out these other videos that are playing right down here right now. So just click on them. All right, subscribe. Have a great day.